Are you experiencing any of these male menopause or andropause symptoms? Testosterone deficiency, low sex drive, depression, irritability, and mood swings? Also loss of strength or muscle mass, increased body fat, hot flashes, difficulties getting erections or erections that are not as strong as usual. If your answer is yes to any of the mentioned symptoms, and you are searching for the best among the myriad of natural or herbal male menopause supplements, then you are in the right place. Because in this video, among other things, you will be informed of what vital ingredients a safe and effective testosterone supplement should have, and of course without any side effects. The following ingredients are natural, FDA approved, and have been scientifically and clinically proven to be effective and safe when used by men of different ages. 1. D-aspartic acid. The main active ingredient in D-aspartic acid has demonstrated to be the best method of increasing production of luteinizing hormone, LH, which in turn works to stimulate free testosterone. 2. Tribulus terrestris. This spiky plant is considered by most to be a weed when found in nature. When used in a high-quality supplement, however, it becomes the most powerful natural testosterone enhancement available. 3. Panax ginseng extract. Panax ginseng is a plant, the root of which has been used by people for over 2,000 years for a wide number of uses, medical and cosmetic. 4. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a natural herb that has demonstrated an effective increase in strength, staying power, and keeps testosterone levels even. Studies have also shown that fenugreek have an anti-estrogenic effect, which avoids estrogen's depressive effect on testosterone. 5. Zinc. Zinc, it's called a trace element, as only small amounts are necessary for effectiveness. It has been shown to be highly useful in upping production of testosterone in the male body. 6. Vitamins B2, B5, and B6. B vitamins are a group of amino acids that work by increasing the rate of testosterone production and energy levels, while decreasing estrogen in the body. B vitamins make carbohydrate breakdown more efficient, helping boost stamina during a workout. 7. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is another top-shelf ingredient known to increase testosterone production. Although it is commonly known as a vitamin, it is actually a hormone itself which stimulates systems that produce other hormones. 8. Selenium. Another trace mineral. Selenium helps with many important bodily functions, and is important for everyone. It improves many operations, including concentration and cognitive acuity, avoiding muscle fatigue and weakness, and overall health. Good enough. There is a supplement we are recommending that has integrated all these ingredients to work together in firing up a man's testosterone generation. The supplement helps better metabolize existing hormones in the body, and subsequently improve cognitive focus, stamina during workouts and other areas of life. It also builds lean muscle strength, and chisel out a cut, defined body without any extreme changes in lifestyle, is being attested to by many users around the world. Click the link below this video to see people results, testimonials, and for more information.